Today, I am here Jamal F. Bramis and I will discuss the Unit 3 current issues on the use and values of biodiversity. Biodiversity, the variety of life on Earth, is fundamental to sustaining ecosystem, human well-being, and global economies. Agroforestry, the integration of trees with crops and livestock, enhances biodiversity while providing critical services like food, security, health benefits, and economic opportunities. This module explores the multifaceted values and use of biodiversity within agroforestry system, emphasizing the role in food production, health, economic benefits, and ecosystem services. Biodiversity is in agroforestry system significantly enhances food security by diversifying crop production and improving resilience against environmental stressors. Diverse agroforestry systems such as those integrating fruit trees with staple crops provide a variety of nutritious food while reducing reliance on monocultures which are vulnerable to pest and climate variability. Monocultures only involve one species, one crop. For example, rice field, right? So, by fostering pollinator population and improving soil fertility, agroforestry support higher yields and sustainable food production. This diversity ensures stable food supply in regions facing challenges like drought or soil degradation, particularly in low and middle income countries. However, challenges such as land use conflicts and limited farmers' awareness of agroforestry benefits hinder widespread adoption. Scaling up this system requires investment in education infrastructure to support diverse crop cultivation. Policy support is also critical to incentivize farmers to adopt practices that balance food production with biodiversity conservation. Addressing these issues can enhance global food security while preserving ecosystem. So that is the importance of agroforestry. It helps us to have the to conserve our biodiversity and also provide us food. Okay, is that clear? So we have the key points. Agroforestry diversifies food production, reducing risks from pests and climate change. Pollinator support in agroforestry boosts crop yields, and incentives are needed for agroforestry for the staple food system. Biodiversity in agroforestry systems supports human health by what? By providing medicinal plants and improving environmental conditions. Many agroforestry systems incorporate species like neem or moringa, which are used in traditional medicine to treat ailments ranging from infection to malnutrition. It's according to Scratch et al. 2025. Cleaner air and water resulting from tree and cover and reduced pesticide use further enhance community health. By what? By means of what? By clean air and water. Yan nagpo-provide ang agroforestry ng ng clean air and water unlike those in monoculture na dinidistruct talaga nila yung land na nagkakakos ng pollution like polluted air and polluted water. This system also promote mental well-being by creating greener, more resilient landscape. Despite these benefits, access to medicinal plants and knowledge of their uses is often limited, particularly in urbanizing regions. Research gaps in documenting the health impacts of agroforestry system also pose challenges to their integration into public health strategies. Investment in ethnobotanical studies and community education can help maximize the health benefits of biodiversity in agroforestry, ensuring equitable access to these resources. Biodiversity in agroforestry drives economic benefits by enhancing productivity and creating diverse income streams. Agroforestry system increase crop yields and provide products like timber, fruits, and nuts, which farmer can sell in local and global markets. These systems also reduce input costs by improving soil health and reducing the need for chemical fertilizers. In regions like Southeast Asia, agroforestry has been shown to reduce deforestation, preserving valuable forest resources for long-term economic gain. However, economic valuation of these benefits is often underdeveloped, making it difficult to attract investment. Smallholder farmers may lack access to markets or technical support to maximize profits from diverse agroforestry products. Developing clear valuation framework and improving market access can enhance the economic viability of this system, benefiting both farmers and local economies. Is that clear? We have three key points in economic benefits. Agroforestry generates income through diverse products like timber and fruits, reduce input costs, improve profitability for farmers, and market access and valuation framework are essential for economic success. Agroforestry systems enhance ecosystem services such as carbon sequestration, soil conservation, and water regulation, which are critical for environmental sustainability. Trees in these systems store carbon mitigating climate change while their roots prevent soil erosion and improve water retention. Do I have to explain this? Uh, it lessen carbon emission, no? Unlike the monoculture that they've used machine that that produce a lot of CO2. They absorb carbon dioxide also. It's much better than monoculture, which are critical for environmental sustainability. Trees in this system store carbon, mitigating climate change, while their roots prevent soil erosion and improve water retention. These services support long-term agricultural productivity and resilience, particularly in vulnerable regions like karst landscape prone to desertification. Biodiversity in agroforestry also support pollinators and natural pest control, reducing reliance on chemicals inputs. Challenges include quantifying these services for policy and funding purposes, as well as scaling agroforestry in degraded landscape. Climate change poses additional risks, potentially altering the effectiveness of this system. Research and investment in adaptive management strategies are needed to ensure agroforestry continues to deliver critical ecosystem services under changing conditions. So, agroforestry ecosystem services. Agroforestry support carbon sequestration and climate change mitigation, soil and water conservation, enhance agricultural resilience. Quantifying ecosystem services is a key to securing policy support. Valuing biodiversity in agroforestry involve assigning monetary or societal worth to ecosystem services, guiding conservation and policy decision. Methods like contingent valuation and cost benefit analysis estimate the economic contribution of services like pollination or carbon storage. Valoration, the process of promoting these values, encourages sustainable practices by highlighting their benefits to stakeholders. For example, agroforestry role in reducing deforestation has been quantified in Southeast Asia, showing significant economic and ecological returns. However, valuation methods are often inconsistent and non-market benefits like cultural or aesthetic values are hard to quantify. Engaging local communities and policymakers in valuation effort is crucial to ensure biodiversity benefits are recognized and prioritized. Developing standardized valuation tools and inclusive frameworks can enhance the adaptation of agroforestry for sustainable development. So we have three key points in agroforestry, valuation and valoration. Valuation quantifies ecosystem services like pollination and carbon storage. Valoration promotes biodiversity benefits to stakeholders. And number three is standardized valuation tools are needed for consistent assessments.